we are going to start with chapter 11, that is World of Machines. So in this chapter, I will tell you about how we use stones and then we went towards the metal. Invention कैसे हुआ steam engine का, industrial revolution, mass production, food for machines and invention of electricity. So let's talk about the early man. They used tools and weapons made of bones, woods and stone. Then he discovered metal. First he started to make tools and utensils of copper. सबसे पहले क्या करते हैं, ये stone के tools बनाते हैं and then फिर they used utensils of copper and he found that iron was much more stronger than other metal. जो iron था वो ज्यादा stronger था than other metal. He continued to improve upon his tool and weapon. फिर धीरे धीरे क्या करते हैं, अपने tools को, weapons को improve करते हैं. इससे क्या होता है, progress होता है different fields में. And today we are living in the world of machine. और हम सब कहाँ रह रहे हैं, world of machine में रह रहे हैं. From stone to metal. So from stone to metals, what happened? The early men used stones. इन्होंने stone tools का use करा and weapons का use करा and these stones continue to be a several thousand year and 10,000 year ago. Men started cultivating plants. इन्होंने plants cultivate करना start करा, animal का domestication करा and now they all are living a settled life. अब कैसी life जी रहे हैं? Settled life जी रहे हैं. And he began making more sophisticated tools. और ज़्यादा sophisticated tools, utensils और pottery बनाना start करा. The next major discovery was that of metal. The first metal to be used was copper. जो सबसे पहला metal इन्होंने use करा वो क्या था? Copper था, right? And later men discovered metals like tin and lead. He also learned how to make bronze and nearly 5,000 years ago the first civilization flourished in the river valley. So Mesopotamia, northwestern India और China में करा and the people of this civilization, what they did? They used bronze for making tools, implements, utensils. Still later, iron was discovered and it was a stronger metal than either copper. And what happened? Agriculture जो implements थे, they were made of iron and with these tools and implements forest could be easily cleared. Plowing of land and cultivating of crops. ये क्या बन गया? Easy बन गया and men now become a skilled hunter, farmer and carpenter, potter and ironsmith. Farming was followed by domestication of animal. Oxen and horses are tamed for pulling carts, plow and grindstone. Gradually the men learned to use the wind energy जिससे वो sail करते थे boats को. So firewood, wind and water, they continue to be the only source of energy for men. And until the 18th century when the steam engine was invented. So फिर क्या होता है, आपका steam engine का invention हो जाता है, ठीक है, in the coal mines of England. And this made the mining of coal difficult. So water had to be pumped out quickly. This need a powerful pump. इसको powerful pump की need पड़ती है. And James Watt of Scotland recognized the power of steam when he saw in the kitchen that a steam created by boiling water, वो आप lift जो होती है, जैसे boil करता है ना, जो lid होती है उसकी, वो एकदम से उठ जाती है अपने आप. So what happened? He made a powerful engine which could run by a steam generated from coal in the year 1765. And इसका जो invention है ये क्या है? Beginning of machine age. So James Watt steam engine was used to pump out water from the coal mine. About 50 years later we have George Stephenson, जिन्होंने क्या करा? पानी को बाहर निकालने के लिए from the coal mines, he invented locomotive engine and it was the beginning of rail transport. With the discovery of the source of energy, mainly coal in the beginning and petroleum later, new era of industrial revolution began in England. इससे क्या होता है, gradually ये क्या हो गया, other parts में भी spread हो गया, right? So industrial revolution अगर हम बात करें कहाँ शुरू हुआ था? इंग्लैंड में. In the early 18th century, the steam engine made it possible to run big machines. Or machine took up work of animal and men. Goods could be produced in the large quantities and there they were cheap and good quality. The demand of good increased. This led to the beginning of the factory system. और यहीं से क्या हुआ? Factory system की शुरुआत होती है and people from the village came to work in these factories and big towns grew. So the change from the handmade goods to machine made goods is known as industrial revolution. फिर हम मास प्रोडक्शन की बात करें, ये मेजर चेंज था that took place due to better machinery. So mass production, what it is? It is a name given to the method of production of good in large quantity at low cost per unit. और जो development था of the precision machine tool could accurately be shaped metal part of same size and metal. So in the modern factory, a product such as a car is assembled from number of different parts. Each part is exactly the same, the part that goes into the next car on the assembly line. Now food for machines. From where do we get energy? We get energy from the food wheat. Similarly, machine get energy from coal and petroleum. कोल हमें कहाँ देखने को मिलता है? Below the earth surface, and it takes millions of years to form, and we have limited reserves of coal. और हमने देखा बहुत limited reserves of coal देखने को मिलता है. पेट्रोलियम आपको कहाँ देखने को मिलता है? Under the earth surface, it is refined to produce kerosene, petrol and diesel. We have Gottlieb Daimler developed an engine which ran on petrol, and it was used to run motor cars and scooters. Rudolf Diesel invented diesel engine, which is the product we get from petroleum. ये cheaper है. And railway engines, trucks, buses, etc. they all run on diesel. ये सब किस पे रन करता है? डीजल पे. फिर इन्वेंशन होता है इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का. It is a form of energy which is used to run machine. And once a man is in Leiden, developed a toy called Leiden jar. It has two wires. भाई दो wires होते हैं, one in a glass, another outside it. और ये जो wires होते हैं, ये joint होते हैं, और जैसे आप इन्हें joint करोगे ना, एक spark सी निकलती है. So Benjamin Franklin heard about this toy. He thought that the charge in the Leiden jar was same. वो ऐसा ही था जैसे thunderstorm होता है. So to prove this, he flew a kite in a thunderstorm. He attached a piece of wire to the kite and metal key at the other hand, where when there was a flash of lightning, he touched the metal key and he got a strong shock. और जैसे उसको touch करता है ना, उसको एकदम से shock लग जाता है. So this proved that the lightning of electricity. In 1800, Italian scientist Alessandro Volta discovered a continuous flow of electricity that can be maintained through a battery. जो battery के through maintain होती है. Later generators were made to produce electricity. We have coal, diesel, petrol, etc. that are used to generate. Today we use electricity for domestic and commercial purpose. तो आज के टाइम पे हम electricity का use कर रहे हैं. वो domestic purpose के लिए भी हो सकता है और commercial पर. As coal and petroleum are running out, some alternative source of energy have been developed. हमने देखा कुछ alternative source जैसे hydroelectricity, right? Hydroelectricity does not cause any pollution. When water is dropped, देखो जब पानी बहुत एक great height से बहुत तेजी से पड़ता है, एक wheel of turbine उसको किसमें turn कर देता है? Electricity, right? Then is nuclear energy or atomic energy, which is produced by splitting an atom. Nuclear power generating plant जिसको हम nuclear reactor कहते हैं. Then we have solar energy. The energy we get from the sun. जो energy हमें sun से देखने को मिलती है वो solar energy होती है. ये solar cooker, solar heaters में आपको देखने को मिलती है. Then we have biogas which is produced from animal dung. It is an excellent fuel which can be used for. इसको हम cooking के लिए, heating के लिए, electricity generation के लिए use कर सकते हैं. Next we have wind energy. ये एक force of wind which is used to run windmills. Netherlands famous है. And it has been set up in coastal areas. और हमें कहाँ देखने को मिलता है? Coastal areas, right? So this was all in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.